Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you part 1 of movies and pictures from 2025. It's from January to April. And after that I will make 2 more movies and it's the other month. So follow me in this journey. In January we have snow and sometimes it's cold weather. I put out some apples for the blackbird. I had a lot of common buzzard this winter. Some morning it was very foggy and I think it's very good for the photo. You can hear the raven and some begging common buzzard. In the evening with the sunset, the nature becomes very beautiful. The common jay finds my peanuts that I have brought with me today just for them. And sometimes I even have a goshawk there. Here is a common jay sitting in the snow. And here we have a common buzzard that is very wet. It snows and it rains, and I think it has problem with the feathers. I hope that the common buzzard will survive the winter. And now I'm going to show you some pictures from January 2025. And now we are in February. As I said before, it's very beautiful in the sunset. A red kite in the sunset. I must say that the red kite is a very beautiful bird, and they are so nice to see when they fly. And here is some pictures that I have been taken from February 2025. And then on the 22nd of February I went to hospital and was surgery for my heart, so I couldn't film or take photos for 1 month. Now at the 9th of April I was back and filming and photograph again, and the surgery was succeeded. A beautiful wren is singing for me, and they are so cute. And at last I have photos from April that I will show you now. Thank you for watching, and please give me a thumb up, or even better, if you subscribe to my channel.